Hey, what's up? Uh, One of my friends works for Bose and he hooked me up with a great discount on this product. So this is the 700 series noise canceling headphones with a charging case. So limited edition colors. You can see the eclipse colors. So this is all sealed up, and this is an unboxing. We're gonna see what this guy looks like. I don't want to show you the code or anything like that. Yeah, so brand spanking new, fresh out the box. Let's see what's going on. First up, it's got this security tab here to see if it's sealed up factory, and this is sealed in the factory, so we're going to open it up. Opens up nice and smooth. Okay. Here we go. This is the charging case. You can see the charging port there. Some type of button on it as well. Really nice. Feels really high quality. Oh, that's nice. This kind of locks in place. This aside. And inside, very nice interior. There's the manual book. Alright, let's take a look at these headphones. See how beautiful they are. Ooh. Limited edition. Looks like a work of art. So on my right side comes with, oh, it looks like 3.5 millimeter cable. Use that later. And charging port. Looks like I think USB 3 series, the more updated series. Nice color too. And this is compression, and it's like stretchy, so it's quite nice. You can fit other things in there if you need to. The pocket goes down about halfway. It doesn't go down all the way. And this part comes out. Yep, USB-C. It's just some extra cardboard. I don't know if I care to keep this. Oh. Alright, let's take a look at the headphones themselves. Ooh, smooth. Yeah, I love the color. It's so smooth and sleek. Definitely feels it feels like a luxury model. That's for sure. Let's check out the rest of the case. So this must be the charging port. So this must charge into the headphones. It doesn't come out very far. It's only about comes out that far. And it's magnetic, which is really neat. And you know, so I want to just finish up by looking at the product, zoom in a little bit on it. Okay, so nice deep ear pockets, which is cool. Rotates in place really smooth. Yeah, so there's for your 3.5 millimeter output. There's the charging port. I don't see any other buttons. Oh, okay, there's a couple buttons here. I assume for volume and for Bluetooth there. Nice. And just as a comparison, you can see these are my dad's headphones. Difference in the size. I think I'm not 100% sure what model these are, but you can see these are still a really high quality model that I got from my dad a while back. But you can see that the Bose 700 are much bigger. I think this might be the Dream, just not 100%. But this has bigger buttons, much more lower profile model. This is much higher profile. You can see that difference. Still very soft, each one. 700, feels fresher, more resilient on the padding. That's because this one's older. This is probably older, a year old. Let's see how it fits. Tells you left or right, big left and right letters. I don't know if you can see that well. That's awesome. That it covers your ears completely. It doesn't feel like your ears are squished. It feels really comfortable. Yeah. It doesn't feel like it's compressing down on my ear. And it's so quiet, even just putting it on. Compared to my dad's model, which I'm not 100% sure again which one these are. But again, you can see what they look like. When I put these on, it kind of compresses your ear more. So even though it's lower profile, so better for doing like going out walking, being more active. You could be more active with these guys, but I'd say not as comfortable as the 700 model. I feel already very pleased with this purchase. Oh, it's like I need this for school. I need this for sleeping. I feel really confident in this purchase. Yeah, thanks for watching. Again, take a look. Really sleek, really nice model here. So let's see how it extends. So it extends up and down through the ear itself. And it twists through there. Cool. All right.